Guillermo's guacamole has a secret ingredient that makes it more delicious than most. Some of you might not be aware of this, but one of the main reasons I'm in a relationship with Guillermo is because of his guacamole, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Why don't you show them how to make it?
Let's do it.
First, we're going to show you how to make the secret ingredient. You'll need avocado oil and avocado leaves. You can buy the leaves at Latin stores. Pour a half cup of avocado oil into a small pot. Break 2 large avocado leaves into small pieces. Put them in the pot and stir. Simmer on the lowest heat until you see little bubbles forming. Turn off the heat and put the lid on. Let rest for at least 20 minutes and repeat the heating process 4 times. If you don't have time, just do it once and leave it covered overnight. Once the leaves are infused, you can smell the avocado. Strain the oil. You now have strong avocado oil that will add extra flavor to your guacamole. Chop the coriander. You can leave in most of the stems, they are very flavorful. Dice the onion. To make a small dice, carefully slice sideways through the onion. Slice the tomato into wedges and remove the seeds. This is just to make your guacamole look nicer. You don't have to do it. Chop up your jalapeno. If you want to minimize the spiciness, remove the seeds. If you like your guacamole extra spicy, add another pepper. Slice the avocados in 2, then remove the pits. You can do this with a knife as shown, or you can remove the pits with a small spoon, like I do. Slice in a crisscross pattern, then scoop out the inside. Squeeze in the lime and add the salt and avocado oil. We like our guacamole chunky, so we don't mash it. Grab some nacho chips or baguette and dig in. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.